Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a viral egg sandwich. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of soft brioche bread, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 slice of American cheese and about 2 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise. A small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will elevate the flavors beautifully. Now, let's get those eggs perfectly scrambled. Whisk your 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are just combined, not overbeaten. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This low temperature is key for creamy eggs. Pour in the egg mixture and gently stir for about 30 seconds. Continue to fold the eggs into soft, fluffy curds, making sure they stay slightly moist and never dry. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble this delicious creation. Lightly toast your 2 slices of brioche bread until they are golden brown and have a slight crispness. Next, spread 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise evenly on the inside of each toasted bread slice. This adds a lovely richness. Carefully place the warm, fluffy scrambled eggs onto 1 slice of the prepared bread. Finally, top the eggs with 1 slice of American cheese, letting its warmth melt it slightly. To make your egg sandwich truly viral, presentation is everything. Cut the sandwich diagonally. This simple trick makes it look more professional and appealing. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, gooey cheese and perfectly soft eggs at their best. For an extra touch, consider adding a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Don't forget to capture a well-lit photo or short video to share your delicious creation online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.